Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix battle.net opening issue. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to end battle.net browser. So for that, you need to enter into your task manager. Over the task manager, please find the battle.net which is running on the background. Please untask it and close it. So our second step is to clear battle.net cache. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage and then hit enter. Over there you need to pick Wizard Entertainment and delete it. So after delete, please press Windows R and then type percentage local app data percentage. Over there please enter into Wizard.net and Wizard Entertainment to delete all the files and folders. The third step is to allow battle.net through firewall. For that you need to search for Windows security, over there firewall and network, and then allow an app through firewall, and please scroll down and find your game like battle.net launcher and please check whether the private and public are enabled. Once it's enabled, please click OK and then enter into the fourth step is to restart network settings. For that you need to search for command prompt and enter as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it one by one and then hit enter. Once it's done, please type exit to exit from CMD. So fifth step is to disable VPN or proxy. Before that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to pick network and internet and then proxy, and then please enter into setup. If in case it's enabled means please disable it and save it and close it. So our sixth step is to reinstall battle.net. For that you need to uninstall the battle.net first. For that you need to enter into your settings, apps and installed apps and search for battle.net and uninstall it. Once you uninstall the battle.net, please do reinstall the battle.net. Sometimes it maybe have the quick fix. So seventh step is to repair Windows system files. For that you need to enter into command prompt once again as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description. It may took 5 to 10 minutes because it need to be load from 0 to 100. I'm just speeding my video. So once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there and then hit enter. Yeah, same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes because you need to be load from 0 to 100. So once it loaded, you may see the status of successful or unsuccessful. Whether it's unsuccessful, please redo the step again and then close it. And then the last step is to update the Windows. For that you need to enter into Windows update and then check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So once it's done, please restart it. That's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. Thank you. Bye bye.